Part 2, Determining Population within Urbanized Area based on the 2010 Census. This 3-step guidance video is designed to help you, as the owner or operator of the MS4, determine the population within your municipality as you are filling out the MS4 waiver form. The video that you are currently viewing is titled Step 3, Determination of Population. This final video will help you to determine your municipality's total population within the urbanized area based on the 2010 Census. What you should have already accomplished up to this point is to have identified all census blocks that make up your urbanized area within your municipality. You should have also filled in the information into the MS4 waiver form on page 2, question 2. The information that you should already have is census tract and census block identification numbers. If you do not have this information, please refer to the video titled Step 2, Census Blocks and Census Tracts Identification. Okay, since we have filled in the appropriate information on the waiver form, we are ready to determine the population within the urbanized area. For this, we are going to need the Excel file provided by the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation titled Census Blocks with Population List. This file is found on the MS4 Toolbox webpage. If we go to the MS4 Toolbox webpage, we can find this file under the Program Assistance Documents towards the bottom. Let's click on the file to open it. When you click on the file, it should prompt you to either open it or save it. This option is up to you. However, just be aware that in order to view it, you will need to have Microsoft Excel on your computer. I'm going to just open it since there is no need for me to save this to my computer. This spreadsheet provides all the census blocks that are located within an urbanized area within New York State. This spreadsheet allows you to filter it based on a variety of categories. I'm going to filter it the way I feel is the easiest, but you can do it however you would like. The example municipality we used was located in Jefferson County, so I'll first filter the data by county. To do this, select the triangle in the bottom right corner of the county category. First, uncheck the Select All. And then we're going to just check Jefferson County because that's the municipality where the county that our municipality is located in. Click OK. Next, I'm going to filter on census tract. But just to refresh our memory, let's see exactly what census blocks and census tracts we are going to need. For this, let's go back to our MS4 waiver form. We see from the information that we provided, we're in census tract 616 and 4 census blocks. Census block 1033, 1034, 3014, and 3015. Okay, let's filter on census tract ID. Again, let's uncheck the Select All. And let's go and choose census tract 616. If you have multiple census tracts within your urbanized area, you will need to select more than one for this case. And now we're going to filter based on census block ID. One last time, uncheck the Select All. And we said it was 1033, 1034, 3014, and 3015. Now that we've filtered it properly, we see the population for each census block. Let's fill in this information on our waiver form. When you do this, make sure that you match the population with the correct census tract and census block. So census tract 616, census block 1033 has a population of 8. Census tract 616, census block 1034 has a population of 30. And then we have census tract 616, 3014, census tract 616, 3015, both have a population of 7. So census tract 616, census block 3014, 7. Census tract 616, census block 3015, 7. So now we have fully answered question 2. let's move on to question 3. Question 3 asks for the total population within our urbanized area. To determine this total population, we must sum the population of all the census blocks. So we had 8 plus 30 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 52. So we're going to put 52 in there. And then question 4 asks, is the sum of the population, which is reported in question 3, less than 1,000? The answer is yes. Okay, now we have fully completed all questions. We'll zoom out a little bit just to show you. Okay, we've completed all questions related to population. And we're ready to move on to the next section of this waiver form. Let's quickly review what we did in this video. First, we made sure that we'd identified all census blocks with census tract information for all blocks that make up the urbanized area. Next, we went to the MS4 Toolbox webpage and opened the Excel file titled Census Blocks with Population List. We filtered the data in the spreadsheet to find the census blocks that made up the urbanized area for our example municipality. We then completed the population portion of the census blocks on the waiver form. Finally, we summed up the population of each census block to determine the total population within the urbanized area. This completes the video series Part 2, determining population within the urbanized area based on the 2010 census.